got both of our nukes a couple days ago. We did not have enough supers. These are the larger bee boxes. I actually built these, and they're not perfect. It's discounted lumber that we got, but they should do the job. These would be technically a 10 frame bee boxes that we built. 8 frame, yep, excuse me. But we're actually only going to put 7 in these because something we learned is about bee room, and you want to have room in between these because they will get stuck together, and it is very difficult to get them apart, and it gives them a little more space to work with. So 7 is more than adequate for these boxes. So these are fitting pretty good. What am I at? One more here. And again, if I squish these together, they would definitely fit 8. But again, we don't want that. So there we go. And next video here, a portion will be outside and putting these in.